But so bang. Honestly, anything and everything that you don't need, I have in this closet. From craft supplies to costumes, nail polish. It's all here. Let's see what else we find. That time I bought a helmet for snowboarding because I went one time, loved it, and thought I was gonna get into it. Never did. Just sits here in my closet. Maybe I'll wear it when I get drunk. Oh, I just got an idea. I'm gonna use this light bulb that I just found in there and our light that burnt out. You know, put it to use. Be a deer and bear with me as I go through this, because a bunch more is about to come, but I just know if I don't have fun with it, this closet is never getting cleaned out. Oh dear. Tea, anyone? Or perhaps you'd like to rub a lamp and make a wish on a genie? My plan was to put plants in there, but I can't even keep plants alive. The hair had to go up. I don't have AC and it's getting real toasty, so, you know. But I do this thing. Where I buy cards and sometimes even gifts for people that I see, and I put them away for when I need to give it to them. But then when the time comes, I forget I have them, buy another card or another gift, give that to them, and then find these later. Shout out to Sandra for noticing that me and my roommate still have our Christmas decorations up. Those are gonna stay there because we're halfway to Christmas at this point. Yeah. Oh my god. Sitting here cleaning my closet on a Thursday morning. Is it Thursday? It's the afternoon. Found a lottery card that hasn't even been scratched. I could be a fucking billionaire by now, but I put things in this closet and don't ever find them till I clean it out one day. You guys might be annoyed by these stories, but at least I've got one fan. That's gold! For real though, I'm about to set this up because it's hot as fuck! You guys remember talking through fans and thinking you sounded like robots? What? I haven't touched some of this in What I was trying to say is I haven't touched some of this stuff in so long that this picture frame has pictures from like grade 10 still. Who recognizes some of these faces? Hope y'all are doing well. And I have my portfolio that I actually like put a lot of hard work into. But I mean, who knows if I'm ever gonna have a 9-to-5 again, so, you know. Who knows what we'll do with this. And of course there's a printer that I keep saying I'm gonna hook up and use, but I have zero idea where the cords are for it. So, you know, not gonna happen, but it's gonna sit there. But all of y'all have electronics like that. Don't even lie, it's not just me. This is a cardboard box that I saved because I thought it was pretty and would use for something. I don't know what. Maybe I was gonna color it. Who knows? I think I'm gonna trash it. This is a piggy bank, like an actual freaking piggy bank that I took when someone offered it because I thought it was cute. But now my parents got me a cooler piggy bank, so I don't use it, but it's real cute. So can I re-gift it? So this is my bucket of nail polish, and I can probably get rid of most of them, but we're just gonna, dump them out, and I'm gonna go through them all because some of them are 7 years old and bad. All this nail polish, and yet somehow my nails look like this. Classy! So, of course, in that closet I found a little box of like mementos, and I found this. And I'm gonna put it in my room because it's so cute, because it says, in a world where you can be anything, be yourself. That's what I'm doing. Oh my god. And in that box of mementos, I found another little box, and it has my Laser Quest name tag. Oh. Those were some good days. I bet you I still know the spiel. Welcome, Questers. My code name is Red, and I will be your marshal for this game. Your mission is to tag... It'll come to me. I swear I remember it. Tag people in their sensors. I also found this bad boy from like grade 2 to 5. And it even has a chopper's charm because my grade like 4 boyfriend loved choppers. How cute was I? I think the only thing I really have left to go through is my costume box. Which, to be honest, I probably won't get rid of anything because I'm a child, but let's go through it. This is the amazing, yet daunting, costume / decor / craft box. So, I'm excited to go through it! Okay, so this box is mostly Christmas decoration that we actually took down. And I'm even gonna put some others that we haven't taken down yet away. I also have some like Christmas costumes that I can't possibly part with, including like this mistletoe headband and this hat that isn't even mine or my roommate's, but was left over after our insane Christmas party. Just saying. And I also have some Valentine's decor, including these fake rose petals, Be Romantic, and a Canada flag for Canada Day. A happy 30th birthday sign. Not for me yet. St. Patty's Day gear, because you know, you gotta get green and Irish. Some of this is probably from my like high school trip to Quebec City. Great time. I didn't even make it to the club! Shout out if you get that reference. Little Oktoberfest gear, New Year's, you know, all the drinking holidays. And the devil horns for Halloween, Christmas lights, and festival season. I got it all. And of course, crazy, forgot those were in, crazy makeup and sparkles to get funky, because you know, my roommate loves the sparkles. Sorry, Vero. And not 1, not 2, but 3 birthday girl pins, because you know your girl's extra. Just kidding. Just a little. Basically, Dollarama's costume and decor areas exist and are supported by me. That's the lesson learned here. Also, always clean out that Monica Geller closet. Whoa. We all have publicly, because who knows the goods that you'll find that people may or may not enjoy. Have you enjoyed this? I have. I've had a great time. Thanks for coming, guys. Remember, you should never try to blend in, but instead stand out as you are. Get it? Blend in because I'm in camo? Thanks, guys. Have a good day. We're done here. Just a little update. Still not a billionaire. It's bullshit. Should have left it in the closet. My hopes were higher then. But at least my closet's clean. I go wash this off. Come on!